Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your system. Create a system restore point and export the registry for safety. Once done, download a classic Start menu replacement and an Explorer/Taskbar tweaker. Choose compatible versions for Windows 11. Make initial settings changes now. Switch to small taskbar icons, set taskbar to bottom if needed, and disable auto-centering in taskbar behaviors. These first moves reduce conflicts. Make sure to run installers as administrator, so the tools can patch UI elements cleanly. Now install the classic Start replacement and select the Windows XP style layout. Import icon packs for consistent look. Next, run 7 plus taskbar tweaker and set button combining to never, disable grouping, and adjust tooltip timing. These changes recreate XP taskbar behavior. For visuals, apply an Explorer shell tweak or lightweight theme patch that reverts spacing and context menu styles. This alters how the taskbar renders. Make sure to restart Explorer between steps so each setting takes effect. Finish by restarting Explorer and checking Start menu, Quick Launch, and taskbar icons. Confirm buttons combine like XP and context menus look correct. If something breaks, revert your registry export or roll back using the system restore point you made earlier. This is faster and safer than guessing. Keep configuration backups and note tool versions so you can reapply settings after updates. If icons misalign, rerun the tweaker and restart Explorer again, making incremental changes until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.